Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to use absolute and relative cell references in Excel so your formulas behave exactly the way you want. First, click on an empty cell where you want to create a formula. Type equals. Click a cell, for example A1. Type plus, then click another cell, for example B1. Press Enter. This is a relative reference, meaning the formula changes when you copy it. Now click the formula cell again. Press F4 on your keyboard. Excel adds $signs to lock the cell reference. This makes it an absolute reference, so the cell stays fixed when copied. Use relative references for repeating calculations, and absolute references when a value should never change. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.